As men reach their 60s, it's not uncommon to notice a gradual decline in energy, stamina, and sexual performance. Fatigue becomes more frequent. Workouts feel heavier. And when it comes to male performance, many begin to see changes they didn't expect. Reduced blood flow, slower recovery, and dips in libido are all part of a bigger picture. Aging circulatory and hormonal systems that need support. But here's the good news. Science has revealed that certain vegetables, rich in natural compounds, can significantly support healthy blood flow and help boost nitric oxide levels in the body. These changes can lead to improved erection quality, enhanced stamina, and a renewed sense of vitality. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 essential vegetables that every man over 60 should include in their weekly meals. These are not exotic superfoods or hard-to-find powders. They're practical, accessible, and backed by clinical research. And yes, they can make a real difference in how you feel and perform. Before we dive in, consider subscribing to our channel for more evidence-based health guides specifically designed for men over 60. And if you've already tried one of these tips or have your own advice for boosting blood flow naturally, let us know in the comments below. Now, let's explore what nature has to offer when it comes to revitalizing male performance. Let's begin with the first vegetable on our list, beets. Beets, or beetroot, have become widely recognized for their natural ability to boost nitric oxide levels. But how exactly does this root vegetable support male performance? The answer lies in its high nitrate content. When you consume beets, your body converts those natural nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a critical role in dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow throughout the body, including the pelvic region. Why does nitric oxide matter for men over 60? As we age, the body's ability to produce nitric oxide naturally begins to decline. That decline often results in poor circulation, which is one of the leading contributors to reduced erection quality. Without enough blood flow, the tissues in that area can't function optimally. This is where beets come in. They provide a powerful natural source of dietary nitrates, which act as a precursor to nitric oxide. But there's more. Beets don't just improve circulation, they also support stamina and cardiovascular health. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that beet juice improved exercise endurance by up to 16%. That means longer workouts, better recovery, and increased oxygen delivery to muscles, including the ones responsible for male performance. So, what's the best way to consume beets? While beet juice is a popular choice, you don't necessarily need to drink it every day. Roasted beets, steamed beets, or even grated raw into salads can offer the same benefits. For men looking to maximize their nitric oxide boost, consuming beets 2 to 3 times per week may be enough to notice a change in energy and libido. And if taste is an issue, blending beets into smoothies with citrus or berries can help mask the earthy flavor. Beets are also rich in antioxidants like betalains, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to poor sexual health and reduced testosterone levels, so anything that helps bring inflammation down could indirectly benefit libido and stamina. Next on our list is spinach, another nutritional powerhouse often overlooked by older adults. Spinach is rich in nitrates as well, but it also brings another important mineral to the table, magnesium. Why does magnesium matter? It plays a vital role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those related to testosterone production, muscle function, and blood pressure regulation. Low levels of magnesium are common in older men, and they're associated with fatigue, reduced libido, and poor sleep quality, all of which can impact male performance. When combined with the nitrate boost from spinach, you're getting a 1-2 punch, enhanced nitric oxide production plus hormonal support for magnesium. This makes spinach one of the most complete leafy greens for men over 60 looking to restore vitality and energy. How does spinach boost blood flow specifically down there? Just like beets, spinach increases nitric oxide levels by providing natural nitrates. That nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels and allow for smoother, more efficient blood flow. Improved circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to all areas of the body, including the reproductive organs. Spinach is also a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a role in the health of blood vessels. Folate deficiency has been linked to erectile dysfunction in several studies. By eating more spinach, you may be helping support the blood vessels responsible for delivering blood where it's needed most. For best results, spinach can be consumed raw in salads, sautéed lightly in olive oil, or blended into smoothies. Aim for at least 1 to 2 servings several times per week. If you're not a fan of the texture, baby spinach is milder and often more palatable. Now, let's talk about the third essential vegetable, arugula. Arugula, also known as rocket, is often used as a garnish or salad green. But don't let its mild appearance fool you. This peppery plant is packed with blood-boosting power. Like beets and spinach, arugula contains high levels of dietary nitrates. But it also contains glucosinolates, which help support detoxification and hormone balance. How does arugula specifically improve male performance? The nitrates, once again, stimulate nitric oxide production, which enhances blood vessel dilation. This helps increase blood flow to all areas of the body, including those responsible for erection quality. Improved circulation not only helps with sexual health, but also supports stamina and physical endurance. What makes arugula stand out is its very high nitrate density. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, arugula actually contains more nitrates per 100 grams than many other leafy greens. That makes it an efficient way to boost nitric oxide without needing to eat large portions. In addition to its vascular benefits, arugula supports testosterone production indirectly. By aiding liver detoxification, it helps reduce the body's burden of environmental estrogens and toxins that can interfere with hormonal balance. This can support healthy libido, energy levels, and overall male vitality. For best results, arugula should be consumed raw, since cooking can degrade some of its beneficial compounds. Add it to salads, sandwiches, or as a peppery topping to cooked dishes just before serving. Its sharp flavor pairs well with olive oil, lemon juice, and lean proteins like grilled chicken or fish. When you combine beets, spinach, and arugula in your diet, you're not just stacking nutrients. You're building a daily foundation for improved blood circulation, energy, and overall male vitality. These three vegetables work synergistically to support nitric oxide production, reduce inflammation, and deliver essential vitamins and minerals that are especially important for men over 60. But how do you actually get the most out of these foods? The answer lies in consistency and pairing. Let's start with consistency. Your body doesn't store nitric oxide for long periods. It must be produced regularly. That's why eating nitrate-rich vegetables just once a week won't have the same effect as including them in your meals several times across the week. Repetition is key for noticeable improvements in stamina, blood flow, and libido. Now, about pairing. To boost nitric oxide even more efficiently, consider combining these vegetables with foods rich in vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C helps preserve nitric oxide in the bloodstream, preventing it from breaking down too quickly. For example, pairing arugula with lemon juice or spinach with orange slices in a salad can enhance the circulation benefits. Another effective strategy is to consume these veggies in their raw or lightly cooked forms. High heat can destroy some of the nitrates and antioxidants. Steaming beets instead of boiling, or using raw arugula instead of cooking it, can help retain those critical compounds that support male performance and stamina. Hydration also plays a role. Water helps move nutrients through the bloodstream and supports healthy blood vessel function. If you're eating nitrate-rich foods but not drinking enough fluids, your circulation could still suffer. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day, more if you're active or in warmer climates. Now let's look at what happens in the body when nitric oxide levels begin to rise. The endothelium, the thin layer of cells that lines your blood vessels, relaxes. This relaxation allows vessels to widen and carry more blood. The result is better delivery of oxygen and nutrients, not only to your muscles but also to your pelvic region. That improved circulation is directly tied to erection quality and endurance. This is why nitric oxide is often referred to as a natural vasodilator. In fact, some of the most common prescription medications for male performance work by influencing nitric oxide pathways. But unlike synthetic options, these vegetables provide a gentle, sustainable, and side effect-free way to support your body's own production of this vital molecule. There's also a hormonal angle to consider. As testosterone levels decline with age, many men experience fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and a drop in libido. While none of these vegetables are direct testosterone boosters in the way that strength training or certain supplements can be, they do create a supportive environment for hormone balance. Magnesium from spinach, detox support from arugula, and the anti-inflammatory effects of beets can collectively help reduce stress on the body and optimize the conditions needed for testosterone production. Now, if you're wondering whether these dietary changes alone can replace more aggressive interventions like medications, the answer depends on your current health. For men with mild to moderate symptoms related to blood flow or stamina, consistent dietary support can make a significant difference. In more advanced cases, they can still be used alongside other treatments to improve outcomes and reduce reliance on pharmaceuticals. Let's explore what the research says. In a 2015 double-blind placebo-controlled study, researchers found that consuming beetroot juice significantly improved oxygen delivery and stamina in older adults after just 1 week. Another study from 2018 published in Nutrition Research demonstrated that a nitrate-rich diet, including arugula and spinach, led to measurable improvements in flow-mediated dilation, a key marker of endothelial function. That means not only are these vegetables effective at supporting male performance, but they're also helping protect your heart and blood vessels over time. Better blood flow in your 60s doesn't just translate to a more active love life, it also means sharper cognition, better physical endurance, and even healthier skin. Let's talk for a moment about libido. While libido is influenced by hormones, mood, and stress levels, it's also deeply connected to physical energy and circulation. When blood flow improves and energy returns, desire often follows. Many men report that within weeks of increasing their intake of these specific vegetables, they notice an improvement not just in sexual interest but also in mood, sleep, and self-confidence. And there's another layer to all this. Nitric oxide has been shown to play a role in brain function. Cognitive clarity, focus, and memory can all be supported through better oxygen delivery to the brain. So when you're eating these foods for male performance, you're also giving your brain a boost, which is especially important in the later decades of life. Let's not overlook the emotional impact of improving performance naturally. Many men feel a renewed sense of control when they start making dietary changes that produce real physical results. You're not just waiting for age to take its toll, you're actively doing something about it. And you're not alone. In wellness communities across the globe, more and more men are turning to diet and lifestyle before turning to pharmaceuticals. That includes daily movement, quality sleep, stress reduction, and, yes, nitrate-rich vegetables that fuel the body from the inside out. If you're just getting started, here's a simple strategy. Pick one of the 3 vegetables and find a way to enjoy it in your meals at least twice a week. For example, roasted beets with dinner, a spinach omelet for breakfast, or a quick arugula salad with lunch. From there, expand. Experiment. Discover what works for your taste and your routine. It's also worth noting that none of these foods will work overnight. Your blood vessels, hormones, and cells need time to adjust. But with consistency, most men begin to notice small changes within 2 to 4 weeks: better morning energy, improved recovery after physical activity, and a greater sense of vitality overall. By now, you've learned how 3 simple vegetables, beets, spinach, and arugula, can make a measurable difference in male performance, especially for men over the age of 60. Each of these foods supports circulation through nitric oxide production, promotes stamina, and enhances overall vitality in ways that go beyond just one aspect of health. Together, they form a powerful foundation for optimizing blood flow, libido, and energy, all without relying on pharmaceuticals or invasive interventions. Let's briefly bring it all together. Beets provide a concentrated dose of natural nitrates that directly convert into nitric oxide in the body. This increase in nitric oxide helps relax and expand blood vessels, improving circulation to all areas, including the pelvic region. Beets also support stamina through enhanced oxygen delivery and offer antioxidants that reduce inflammation, which may indirectly support hormone balance and libido. Spinach adds another layer of benefits. Not only does it boost nitric oxide through its nitrate content, but it also delivers magnesium and folate, 2 nutrients essential for hormonal health, vascular support, and energy metabolism. These compounds are particularly critical for men in their 60s and beyond, as deficiencies become more common with age and can impact male performance on multiple levels. Arugula, the final member of this trio, stands out for its incredibly high nitrate density and its detoxification benefits. Its sharp flavor belies its powerful nutritional profile. Arugula enhances blood flow through the nitric oxide pathway and may also aid in reducing the estrogenic burden on the body, supporting a healthier testosterone to estrogen balance. This makes it especially valuable for men looking to maintain vitality and performance well into later decades of life. The impact of these vegetables goes far beyond the obvious. Improved circulation doesn't just affect sexual performance, It supports brain health, cardiovascular function, muscle recovery, and even emotional well-being. The same nitric oxide that increases erection quality also enhances cognitive clarity and endurance. It's all connected. If you're watching this and thinking it's too late to make a change, remember, the body is constantly adapting. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your blood vessels can respond to nutrition. Your energy systems can rebound. And your performance, physical, mental, and intimate, can improve when given the right tools. These vegetables are not miracle cures. They're part of a lifestyle that supports longevity, vitality, and self-respect. Small changes lead to bigger changes. And over time, what begins as a few meals per week with nitrate-rich greens can evolve into a stronger, more energized version of yourself. You'll move better, think clearer, sleep deeper. And for many men, the confidence that returns through improved male performance is a reward that goes far beyond the plate. So if you're a man over 60 looking to boost blood flow, enhance stamina, and reclaim your vitality, remember this: start with what's on your plate. Science has shown us that food is more than fuel, it's instruction. And in this case, the instructions are simple, natural, and proven. Have you tried incorporating beets, spinach, or arugula into your diet yet? Have you noticed any changes in your energy, circulation, or performance? We'd love to hear your experience. Scroll down and share your thoughts in the comments. Your journey might inspire someone else. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more evidence-based content tailored to the needs of men over 60. We cover topics like circulation, nutrition, hormone health, and performance, all grounded in science and designed for real life. Thank you for watching, and here's to stronger blood flow, better stamina, and a more vibrant, energized you.